If you need to learn how to update the two clocks found on a Toyota Yaris Cross, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and today I'm sat in this 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross and I'm going to show you how to update the two clocks found on the car. And by two clocks I mean the one that's found on the top left of the infotainment screen and the one that's found on the top right of your dashboard there. And we're quite lucky on this car that these are actually synchronized, and by that I mean you update one and it actually updates the other. Now these actually come from the factory set to automatic, and it actually uses the GPS to set the time and date. But there are a few people out there that like to take manual control of that, so they can set the time a little bit early or a little bit late. And also if they're next to a time zone, it can actually go up and down when you get close to that time zone, which is a bit annoying, so you like to set it manually, and that way you're in full control of the time and date. So to do this, we're going to use the infotainment screen, and down on the bottom right is a cog. We're going to tap that and this is your master settings menu. And then the third one down is general. Give that a tap and that takes us to this screen here, and we can just go down to time and date. And as you can see, it currently says to set automatically, so we can just go and tap that to manual, and then it gives you an option here for 24-hour time or 12-hour time. I'm going to set mine to 24-hour time just to show you the change, and then you can set your time zone manually if you want to. I'm going to leave mine set to auto. Daylight savings, you can turn that on or off, or auto again, depending on the area. And then here again, it says set time automatically. Tap that off and we can now set the time manually. So if I wanted it to go back an hour and then back 2 minutes, I would just do that. Hit OK, and then that's already updated the time on both of the clocks there. And the next thing we can do is we can just change the format of the date. We can change the format, so I have it day, day, month, month, year, year, because we're in Australia, but I know that America do tend to do month, month, day, day, year, year. So you can change that if you want to change it, but you can't actually update the date on the clock. So there you go, a nice, quick, simple video for you today. If you found that interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.